be fun. Please, pretty please.
Of course! Looks like I've made high flyers out of all of you after all.
Next stop, Cloud City. Forecast, cloudy with a chance of awesome.
Eleanor Wonders Why is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
Perfect! Let's zoom into another comic book adventure! Right behind you, Super Y! Woohoo! Hooray! Don't go away! We'll need your help another day!
It's Donkey Hodie on PBS Kids, the show about a fun group of pals and an extra special donkey.
Hey, awesome!
She's figuring things out
Think, Donkey Hodie, think!
and coming up with answers.
Donkey Hodie, streaming now free on PBS Kids.
Grandma, why is your car smoking?
Oh. If it's time to get rid of your car, donate it to public media, and you'll support the great children's programming you, your kids, and your grandkids love. It's simple, easy, and your generous gift is tax deductible. Just call or visit us online.
KVCR is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. KVCR is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Work It Out Wombats is made possible in part by...
This may look like a lot, but tonight is taco night. By your side for over 130 years. McCormick, proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
Project Lead the Way is proud to support PBS Kids and Work It Out Wombats. We strive to help teachers make children in every grade STEM successful. Learn more at pltw.org.
Target believes that the power of play and the joy of everyday life are all around. Target is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
And by a ready-to-learn grant from the U.S. Department of Education, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people, by these generous supporters, and by viewers like you.
When there's a problem, what do we say? Work it out, work it out, work it out, Wombats. Where there's a will, there's always a way. Work it out, work it out, work it out, Wombats. We've got ideas for days, solve problems lots of ways. I love it when we play all together. Hey, Backwards Day! Welcome to